Welcome! In front of me I have Cubot X19 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout settings on this device. First we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe up on the home button twice, like this, and tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's select the display option, then tap on advanced, and here we have option called sleep. Let's tap on it. And we can select 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 30 minutes. Select the option you like by tapping on it. For example, I'm gonna select 30 seconds. And now my screen will turn off automatically after 30 seconds of an activity. And that's how you change the screen timeout settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.